This is exactly what you get inside of this IceFox i8 action camera. The first thing I thought of when I received the box was there's just no way that all the accessories that I saw online come with this camera for the price. You get a ton, and I mean a ton of accessories for this price point. You just don't see that. Let's first and foremost go through exactly what comes inside of the IceFox i8 camera package. We'll go over the bundle, and then secondly, obviously the most important thing is we'll take it out, we'll test it. You know how I test things out on the water, and we'll see if it's any good. But first and foremost, let's just go through the user manual, because in this user manual, it actually shows you all of the accessories. You don't have to try and guess exactly what you got. We have the waterproof case along with another back piece that just has 2 openings. So if you're not recording underwater, you'll get better audio. So you can swap these two. You have the bicycle mount, USB cable to charge it. You get 2 batteries, one that's inside of the camera, the other one right over here. You get a 360 rotating screw, which is right over here. So you get 2 long thumb screws. You get an extension mount, a J-hook. You get some bandages. You get another adapter. Then the next page just continues to show some adhesive pads. So we get some flat mounts. We get a mount for the housing if you're not going to be recording in any sort of water or crazy action, where this will be able to put onto any sort of handle. And then guys, we get a bracelet remote where if you hit the silver button, it automatically records video. And if you hit the red button, it will take a picture. So you don't even have to be right next to your camera to operate it. And then last but not least, it's got one of those mounts where you can put it on any sort of, selfie stick or handheld device. You get all of this for the price of $55. That is insane. Let's take a look at the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And there it is. IceFox camera comes ready to go. It's got some cool features. I will tell you that I've just been reading the manual, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. They have a couple of different video modes, different resolution. We're gonna test all of those out. We're gonna bring them to you, what works, maybe what doesn't. But the purpose of this video is to be just as transparent as I can be. Is it worth it? Because obviously on price point and on what you receive in terms of the bundle and essentials, beyond worth it. You're not gonna get anything like this in the other type of action cameras for anything under $500–600. This amount of accessories in a bundle along with the camera. So the most important thing about this is the camera any good? So far, it looks really good. It reminds me of the original GoPros. The only thing is that they did not have, screens for you to be able to see, but it looks like it. The boxy design, it's small, so I think it will work in terms of being able to carry it. Easy to mount. I don't foresee any issues with it, but I think, as most of you guys want to know, let's take it out, let's test it, let's see if it's any good, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my final review. If the IceFox i8 is worth it, and more importantly, if you were thinking about picking up an action camera in this price point, is this the one for you? So let's go, let's hit the water, and let's check it out. We'll be right back. Welcome to the IceFox i8. Now that we've gone through the unboxing, you guys have seen all of the items that this comes with. For the price and what you get, that bargain is insane. Right off the bat, we are scoring this 10 out of 10, A+. However, I know that you guys know the most important thing about video cameras is the quality. We are out right now, and we are filming at 4K 30 frames per second on the IceFox. It's about, 5:30 or so. So the sun's starting to come down a little bit. I don't know if that's going to affect the quality of the video, but nonetheless, I'm out on the ski. This is the reason why you guys want to see this video, because this might be something you want to look into for your jet ski adventures. If, again, like I mentioned during the unboxing, shelling out $350, $450, $550, $650 on all these other action cameras, it's just not really in the budget right now. I know this is not going to be of the quality of those cameras, so obviously this video isn't a comparison versus those. This is more just to see if this in fact works. If this works for the type of content that we want to catch. One other note of mention is I am filming without the dive case on, obviously for audio quality as well. But it does come with a dive case, so if you're going to take it underwater, which I'm not at the moment, you can put that on there. But we have just the camera itself. We are now operating where it is safe to hit the throttle, and we are going to shoot it right now at 4K 30 frames per second. Woo! Let's go! Hopefully this gave you a glimpse as to whether or not the IceFox camera can work for you. We're going to go ahead and wrap up here on the water. We're going to get back to the garage just to go over all of the things that we learned about this camera. Is the video quality good enough for you to spend the 55 bucks to get this entire setup? The one thing I want to make it clear on this review is whether or not the videos you see here on the screen are worth it for you. I'm gonna jump back on the ski. The sun's starting to set, so I'm gonna get back home. And once we get there, we'll wrap everything up. We'll go over everything you saw today, and you'll get my final thoughts, right, on whether or not I give this a thumbs up or so we'll see. We are back from the water, and I will tell you that, in my opinion, okay, this is just my opinion, this is 1,000% worth it because of the price point. Again, this is not a direct comparison to the other action cameras that you see out there. I know there's several companies that put out really expensive, really good quality cameras. This is not a direct competitor to that, specifically because of the price range. I would recommend this for anyone that is not looking to spend $500-600 on this sort of bundle, that wants to maybe start off. Maybe you're just beginning to film some content. Maybe you've got some younger kids that want to begin filming some content and you don't want to spend an astronomical amount of money. You want something economical, but something that'll work very well. From what you guys can see on the videos that I posted, the quality looks really good. Most importantly for me, 4K 30 frames per second was really the optimal setting. Not sure why I was getting the freeze that I got when I downloaded the videos, anything on 60 frames per second. So I'm not 100% sure if that was either my memory card, which I changed and tried another one, so I don't think it's that. I'm not 100% sure, but I will tell you, 4K 30 frames per second with the stabilizer on worked perfect. If you guys think that the actual final footage looks really good and it's something that you can work with and you want to use to capture memories to post on YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, any other social media sites, this is it. This camera works really well for that. And I'll be honest with you, if the camera alone was $55, I think it'd be worth it for the type of content and for being an action camera that you can get. But when you throw in everything that you see here, it is beyond worth it. So I will put a link in the description below where you guys, if you want, can pick up the IceFox i8, order yours. I got mine really quickly, so shipping should not be an issue. And I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Thank you again. If you liked this video, if you found it informative, please do us a huge favor. Smash the like button, of course, subscribe to the channel. So I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, be safe, ride safe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.